What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu today. We're gonna be going over some technicals and some fundamentals, some good stuff going on with Shiba Inu, the game, some more news on the burn, all that good stuff. So let's talk about Shiba Inu. First, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's talk about Shiba Inu. So first things first, if you watched my previous video on Baby Doge and Dogecoin, then you would see that the Dogecoin 24-hour market control is controlled by the bears by 80%. The Baby Doge 24-hour market control, I think, is also around 80% or something. But Shiba Inu right now, the Shiba Inu 24-hour market control is controlled by bears by 60%. So it's showing 40% bullish for Shiba Inu. So it's definitely interesting to see that Shiba Inu has a different projection than Dogecoin and Baby Doge. Because as we all know, everything's following Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. So it's kind of interesting to see that Shiba Inu is kind of like, distincting itself, like taking itself all like away from Bitcoin and all that. Because we are still following Bitcoin. Like, don't get me wrong. Look at all these charts here on the side. Crypto.com coin looks like it's the exact same as Shiba Inu, Avalanche, Dogecoin, Terra, Polkadot, XRP. Everything has the same looking chart, literally. But the one thing different about Shiba Inu is the fundamentals that we got building up. So there's so much hype around Shiba Inu. Literally, type Shiba Inu on Google. Watch what you'll see. Like, there's so much hype going on about Shiba Inu. We can even go to Google Trends. So let's look that up. Google Trends, and then let's just go over to Shiba Inu and look what we got here. So Google Trends, quick Google Trends here, and then go here and type inside of Shiba Inu. So let's type inside Shiba Inu, and look, we do have some trends going on for Shiba Inu, not as trendy as we were like previously, like last month, a couple months ago. But if you look at it for the last 30 days, Shiba Inu has been doing fairly well. Like, it's still up there inside the trends. So mostly inside Alaska, Nevada, Hawaii, Delaware, New Jersey. This is only looking at it from the United States region. But if we looked at it from the worldwide, we'll probably see a lot from Turkey, Euro, Shiba Inu. Like, a lot of people inside of Europe are really getting on the Shiba Inu wave. And like the video I put out yesterday about Turkey possibly looking at Shiba Inu as a legal tender. I mean, they're using it to hedge against their inflation for their own currency, the lira. So Shiba Inu could be like the top dog over there. Well, it actually is the top dog over there, if we're being completely honest. But anyways, let's go over some of the stuff here. So this green area right here shows supply and demand for Shiba Inu. So it's pretty much showing there's a lot of demand for Shiba Inu at 000032 and around 30. So we have lots of demand around that area. Now, let's go over some of the technicals here. So Shiba Inu could break higher towards 00005 if the 100 DMA holds. I want to say something about this because it's quite possible, yes, but in order for Shiba Inu to get to 00005, we would need to see Bitcoin on an uptrend. We would need to see the overall crypto market going on an uptrend, like not just Shiba Inu. We need to see everything going on an uptrend. So if Shiba Inu is about to break higher towards 00005, if the 100 DMA holds, then that also means Bitcoin is about to break higher too, back up to 50K, 55K, possibly 60K. In order for Shiba Inu to get to 00005, we need to see a $60,000 Bitcoin. So that's pretty much the analysis there. So Shiba Inu price attempts a bounce, but 21 DMA is a tough nut to crack. So Shiba's daily technical setup suggests that a range breakout is imminent. So they're saying imminent. It's like almost 100%. They're pretty much saying. I don't know. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. This could be all speculation. So sheep bulls remain hopeful while the price defends the key 100 DMA cap. So over here you can see Shiba Inu is extending its week-long consolidative mode on Saturday as the bears continue to lick their wounds following the December 4th flash crash to 0.00295. Now, in doing so, Shib price is posting about 2.5% gains on a daily basis, attempting a bounce from 1 week lows. At the time of writing, the K9 inspired coin is trading around 0.00350, reversing the two back-to-back days of declines. So they're pretty much saying 2.5% gains every single day of Shiba Inu. So if you look over here, you can see even inside of this day, like 2.5% in the last 24 hours. So they're not lying there. 2.5% there. Now, if you look at it for the past couple days, yes, we've been having like uptrends during the days, and then leading towards nighttime, it goes on the downtrend. into the next day, and then it goes on an uptrend leading into nighttime. It goes on a downtrend into the next day, and then the next day it goes on an uptrend leading into the nighttime, goes on a downtrend leading into the next day uptrend. It's a whole cycle. It's doing the same thing over and over again, almost like it's being manipulated. I don't know if it's being manipulated by the whales though. Anyways, on Thursday, an Ethereum whale purchased close to $1.8 million worth of Shiba Inu, taking advantage of a 17% slide in the prices of the dog-themed cryptocurrency over the past weeks. I just want to say this. $1.8 million purchase is nothing. It's nothing. I'm just going to be completely honest. If you watch my Dogecoin videos and you see how much these whales are buying every single day and how much they're transacting between different wallets every single day, from $60 million to $100 million, $5 million per purchase, multiple purchases per day. Like, we're seeing those kind of buys inside of there. So this isn't too significant. What I noticed a lot for the Shiba Inu whales, they don't trade as much as Dogecoin whales. You got to think Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token. Like, look over here. Shiba Inu is a ERC20 token, meaning that it is subjected to the Ethereum fees. Now, yes, if you get it on a centralized exchange, your fees are going to be far lower, much lower, because they're not your coins. Like, those coins are still, like, you get it on Coinbase and stuff like that. Those coins are not yours. I don't think so. Anyways, stuff like that, like, it's not yours. Binance and all these different wallets, they're really not yours. Like, all these centralized exchanges, they're not your coins unless it's your actual wallet on a DeFi exchange. Then that's your coins. And then since they're your coins, you're subjected to pay those fees. Instead, when you do stuff like Coinbase and Binance, you're paying the Coinbase and Binance fees, while they're really not buying any more coins or trading coins for you. They're just holding the coins in your wallet. And when you buy the coins, you're like buying. It's like you're buying a security. It's like you're buying a portion of that wallet, pretty much. But anyways, let's move on. So, as you can see over here, Shiba Inu remains stuck between the two key averages, breakout awaited. That's what they're saying. We have a breakout awaiting. So, looking at the Shiba Inu's daily chart, it appears that Shiba Inu bulls are attempting another attempt to kickstart a fresh upswing towards all-time highs of 0.000885. So, Shib price is awaiting a strong catalyst to break the current prison range around 0.000350. So the price of the K9 themed coin has been transversing a narrow range, pretty much leaning on the downward slope all the way down to the 21 daily moving average, now at the 0.0004 area. So meanwhile, the ascending 100 DMA at the 0.000315 continues to lend support to the bullish traders. Right now we're at 3460, so we do have support at 315. Definitely good if we go on another downtrend. And you can even see over here with the supply and demand areas, you can see that support right there very clearly. So 315, it's a big supply and demand area, all the way up here from the 30 area, all the way up to the 33 area. So there's a lot of demand for Shiba Inu from 30 to 33. So meanwhile, the ascending 100 DMA at 0.000315 continues to lend support to the bullish traders. The 14-day relative strength index is inching higher and higher towards the midline, suggesting that the bulls could take over control if they recapture the 50 level. So Shib bulls, however, need a daily closing above the 21 DMA hurdle to negotiate or negate the bearish bias in the near term. So fresh buying opportunities could then emerge, triggering an advance in Shiba Inu towards the mildly bullish 50 DMA at 0.000488. Now, a buying opportunity would be presented if we go below our supply and demand, but it would be very dangerous because if we can't break out of it, it's going to be a big crash. So I don't want to see that, but anything can happen at this point. Now over here, you can see what could happen if we go bearish. So if we go bearish, this could happen. On the other hand, if the bears regain control, then a sustained break below the 100 DMA support will be on the table. So on deeper declines, the following trend line support connecting the November 4th and December 4th lows at 0.000261 could come to the rescue of the bulls. So Shib sellers will then aim for the flattish 200 DMA at 0.000196 as the next fierce upside barrier. So that is what could happen if we go bearish. Hopefully we don't go bearish, but to be completely honest, we're 60% on the bearish side. So 60% bearish for the 24-hour market control. That means we have a 60% of chance of going down and only a 40% chance of going up. So we got to look at those odds. But anyways, moving on to the next thing for Shiba Inu, massive coin burn will lift the Shiba Inu price. So we are supposed to be getting a coin burn coming very soon. So as you can see over here, there has actually been an announcement they're going to do it eventually. So as you can see, one of the selling points of Shiba Inu is that it can provide some protection against U.S. inflation, U.S. dollar inflation, and also they've been using it in Turkey to hedge against that inflation as well. So that is definitely something that could help out a lot of people, you know. But anyways, reportedly during the coming weeks, there will be a massive coin burn in order to reduce the supply of Shib coins. That is what Ryoshi has stated. There's going to be something big. We're going to have a whole metaverse thing going on. So there's a lot going on for Shiba Inu. You know, a lot of people are talking about it. Shiba Inu has a lot of potential for the future. Now, we do have 1,048,471 holders. So we're getting more and more holders every single day with Shiba Inu. Shout out to all the holders out there. And also BitPay. Remember, BitPay, you can now buy, store, swap, and spend on BitPay. So all this utility for Shiba Inu, back to back to back, Shiba Inu is literally a top tier crypto now. And then we're getting this whole metaverse game that's going to be created by PlaySide Studios along with William Volk. So we're gonna have some very solid stuff going on for Shiba Inu. They even put us inside of their description here on Twitter. So we got a lot of stuff going on for Sheep now. This is pretty much all I got. I just wanted to go over all this today and let you all know exactly what's going on with Shiba Inu. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.